Yesterday we started talking about suffixes. A suffix is a group of letters we add to the end of a word to change their meaning. Now, again, this is the opposite of a prefix. A prefix is at the beginning of a word, and a suffix happens at the end of a word. So whenever we want to figure out what a word means or we're having trouble reading one, we can always look for suffixes to help us understand it. We can break the word apart, look for the base word, and then look for the prefix or suffix, and it will help us understand it. So yesterday we learned about the suffix full, F-U-L, which means full of. Today we are going to learn about the suffix less, L-E-S-S, and that means without. An example, painless. Well, the base word in this word is pain. We know what pain is, something that hurts us. And then our suffix is less. So pain less. So without pain. And we can do that. We looked at our base word, which was pain, our suffix, which was less, and when we put them all together to think about the whole word, painless, without pain. Let's look at another example. Nameless. Well, we look at our base word, that would be name. Well, we know what a name is. It's what we call someone or something. And then less, without. So without a name. So we looked at our suffix and we were able to tell what the whole word meant. So just like yesterday, you're going to go to Canvas. And when you go to your assignment, there's going to be two words. And to show me that you know what those two words mean, I want you to think in your head, okay, what is the base word? What does the suffix mean? So what does the whole word mean? In order to show me you know what the word means, again, you're going to use that word in a sentence.